Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Stag Voiceover. My name is Neil Glasgow. In today's video, we're going to start sorting out all the problems. Following from last week's video, I put up a video basically saying, you don't suck at voiceover, and went into some of the real reasons why you don't suck at this job. And the response from that was absolutely fantastic, but what it did was it threw up a few questions, concerns, queries that people have. And today is the day that we're going to start sorting this all out. So, let's get into it. Okay, so, doesn't matter when you watch this video. Could be today, could be a year from now, doesn't matter when this video is posted, this counts for you. And I want you to do all the things that I talk about in this video. So, what I want us to all do is create a bit of a community here. And there's a page on Reddit called Voiceover Advice. It's my page. It's growing. Get over there, and I want people to get onto this. This is all going to be a help thing. And what I'm about to sort out for you right now is going to be a confidence boost for you. Guaranteed confidence boost. And where it will absolutely help you be a better voiceover actor and voiceover and owner of your own business is all the things that we're going to go through now. So I spoke to a very lovely man. I won't name you, but we spoke for a good hour. Really talented voice actor, actually. And I'm sure you won't mind me saying, but biggest issue is confidence. And the confidence is not, can I do voices? Can I, do all the bits? It's, am I good enough to do this job? And the reality is, nobody starts off perfect like that, being able to do this job. You have to do the doing, do the due diligence, do the effort and all the pain that goes along with this. And something that I've said to him and to many others, and this is what I want you to do. This is the thing. This is the confidence boost. I want you to write a list. I know how it sounds. Write a list, right? And I want you to go through all the things and tick off what it is that you know. Do you know how to set up a booth? Your own booth, whatever that looks like. Can you set that up? Did you know that day one when you started out? No? Tick. Do you know how to work a mic? Set that up, all the electrics and the DAW that go with it. Tick. Do you know how to audition? Do you know about microphone technique? Do you know how to get agents? Do you know how to market? Tick, 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 tick. Everything you don't have a tick against, that's a task. That's something that you now need to go away and find out about. Come to me, come to the forum, and this is why I'm saying go to that community, because it's going to be an open, helpful forum, right? No bad questions, no aggressiveness, not allowing that. This is definitely a helpful forum. But I promise you, by making this list, by going through, checking it twice. Yeah, no, I'm keeping that in. Check it twice. You are going to see how much you've developed. You're going to recognize in yourself what you've done. And I promise you, it is such a realization. What we get into a really bad habit of doing, all of us, myself included, is you feel like you hit a wall sometimes. I've done everything, I'm not getting anywhere. I've tried, I'm not getting anywhere. I get really... And you get so this ball of just anger and annoyance and depression and blah, blah, blah. But when you actually go back and go, bloody hell, do you know what? I have taught myself this, I've taught myself this, I've learned this, I went out, I did the effort, I did the drive. Do you know what? Go team me. Go team you. I say this all the time, that anyone can be a voiceover artist. It's not a natural ability that you can just do. You have to do the work and you have to learn. And I know that finding information out there is very obtuse. It's very painful to try and find the right bit of information. I know there's lots of other YouTube channels out there and they go, oh, do you know what? That's a really interesting bit of information, and you had to wade through 20 minutes of whatever it is for maybe one sentence that works. I try not to do that with this. And do you know what? If at any point I do that, all of you call me out on it. Fine. Because it's not what I'm trying to get across with this. I want everyone to be empowered to be the best voice actor they can be. So, to address a couple of questions that I've had in this week to try and help people out, I had one question around how do I improve my audition technique and time. Essentially, they're spending a long time auditioning, editing, getting it all right. And really, you don't need to do all that much. Your auditions themselves should be 25, 30 seconds, 40 seconds at a push. They will have made up their mind by that point. And you just need to do 1 take, 2 takes, make sure you're happy with it, quickly go through and edit it, and you're done. Don't make it this perfect performance thing. That's a you problem. That's a you barrier. They're not listening for that. Is the audio good? Does it sound like something that they could use? Is the character or whatever it is that you're trying to do good? Send it. You should be banging through 10, 15 auditions an hour, easily. It's the weird thing of you getting your own way sometimes. And when it comes to auditions, don't make that a problem. Don't make that another barrier that you've got to overcome, because I promise you, it's all mental. These people know what they're listening for, and they will have heard what they need to hear in the first 25, 30 seconds. And if they want to hear more, they'll come back to you. They'll say, do you know what, could you just give us a little bit more of a read? We heard something there. Often it doesn't happen because they've heard what they need to hear in those first 25, 30 seconds. But yeah, don't beat yourself up about it. I'm going to try and address one of these questions every week, and I will make these videos a little bit more concise, but I wanted to address a question because someone asked, and I wanted to talk about this confidence thing and help you guys identify what it is that you need to develop with. So what I'm hoping and encouraging you to do, make the list and do reach out to the community, but you can also reach out to me, and what I'll do is every week I will do a dedicated video on the most requested or the most commented on problem that someone has, and we'll try to address it together. Remember, you can and you are going to be a voiceover artist. I'll see you in the next video.